Hello viewers, you welcome to Whitening Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome to you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button to enable you see new of our video. Oh yeah, subscribe. I told you our promo is around the corner. What you need to do, just make sure you put on your dance issue and place your order. It's starting on the 17th of July this month, and it's going to end on the 19th of July, the same this month. In other words, 3 days the promo is running, and it's 20% discount for all Whitening Global product. 20% discount. I'll be telling you about collagen 16 tone, right? Collagen 16 tone, a product that will make your skin flawless. Let me show you the soap, by the way. Now this is the soap. I'll show you we have a lot of products that are similar to this, but this one is collagen 16 tone customized. It's a customized soap. We have the same product of other product like this, but this one is a customized. We call it collagen 16 tone, and what it does is this. For a lot of us that our skin are getting slack, weaker due to one or two products we'll be using, or due to birth and all that, this is the product that we'll use that will tighten, make your skin firm again. This product will make your skin firm again in a way that when you use it, you will be seeing it within 7 days. Come on. Isn't that amazing? Within 7 days, you will notice that something is really coming up in your skin. And it will whiten you. When I mean it will whiten you within 7 days, it will whiten you. Not lighten, it will whiten you. For those of us who want to use whitening product, this is what you need to use. But if you don't want to use whitening product, don't come close here, because collagen 16 tone is an amazing product. Then let me tell you some other things it does again. This product will remove your stretch mark. It will remove your green vein. You see, amazing. A product that does a lot of things, and it will leave your skin flawless. What I mean flawless is a product that will always leave your skin flawless. So this product, don't miss it. Collagen 16 tone has a lot of benefits. In fact, I just can't name them all now. So let's move to the other one. Now see our customized black soap. All these are going for 20% discount. This is 5 kg. For those of us that say we don't love using lotion, we don't like using different things, a lot of things you don't like using, you just want to use only amazing soap. This is the amazing soap you'll be looking for. And it's a whitening soap. If you don't want to get lighter, you don't want to get white, do not use it. In 7 days, you'll be seeing results, no matter how hard your skin is. What I mean, you can go check our bio on Instagram, go check our bio on Instagram, go check our bio on YouTube, even Facebook. You will see amazing, wonderful results, because a lot of people be complaining their product are not working. All right, so this is what you need if your product is not working. As a matter of fact, you don't want to use lotion, you don't want to use oil. What do you want to use? You just want to use only soap. This is the soap. Don't go get another wrong soap. This is the soap. This soap, it will work perfectly the way you want it to work. All right, this is our Whitening body wash. Whitening body wash. If you don't want to get lighter, don't come closer anyway. If you don't want to get lighter, don't come closer. But if you really want to get lighter the way you want it, the way you dream about it, this is what you use. Awesome. And all these products I'm telling you, they help to moisturize your skin as well. They help to build the skin color type. Some people, they don't even know their skin color type, so it becomes a big problem with them. So some that really have enough melanin to clean out, and you don't know how to clean it, and you don't want to clean it at once, these are the products you use. Gradually, you will see results. And when I mean gradually, it's not going to take you forever. No. In 3 weeks, you've seen results. In 3 weeks, your result is done, because first 3 days you see result, 7 days you see result, 14 days you see. So when it's going to the 3rd week, you're perfectly done. You see a lot of amazing testimony. Go check them out. So for this promo that is coming on the 17th, use it as a big avenue. Do you want to buy a product to remove knuckles? We have it. Do you want to buy a product to remove your dark area? We have it. You want to clear your nails, clear your dark elbows? We have it. Do you want powerful lipsticks, or what do you want? We have them in this cosmetic line. You want to buy original cosmetics, skincare product? We have them. Not a product that you will buy, you will be scared or skeptical. Please stop saying that I'm scared. If you keep doing that, you're not going to buy. Give it a try. If it doesn't work, refund. Who can guarantee you that? So kindly place your order. This opportunity that you've seen, use it well. For those of you who want to dive into skincare business and you want us to train you, this is opportunity also. You can contact us. Or for those of you who want to buy in bulk, but you're kind of skeptical, don't. This is opportunity for you. Grab it once and for all. Don't tell me that not after the promo you will not come and tell me I sent you a promo list, a promo that. In fact, if you do that, I will block you. I don't waste time on that. Place your order now. A lot of people have already placed order. In fact, I'm getting shocked, but now money now. We can't get shocked for money. Money keep coming. Even they don't show self. Make it still they come. It is what it is. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe.